In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect HyperX Cloud Flight to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to set up and use your HyperX Cloud Flight headset on an Xbox console. Now, there is a very important distinction that I have to make. Currently, there are a lot of models for the HyperX Cloud Flight, and there is one specific model designed for Xbox consoles. This is going to be the HyperX Cloud X Flight. Now, if you have the original HyperX Cloud Flight, then sadly, you will not be able to use it on your Xbox. The original Cloud Flight headset is only compatible with PC and PlayStation consoles because it uses a wireless adapter to plug it in, and Xbox consoles only recognized licensed USB audio devices. Because of this limitation, you will not be able to use the original HyperX Cloud Flight on an Xbox console, either old or new. You will only be able to use this specific headset from HyperX if you have the Cloud X Flight model, which is green and so on. All that you have to do for this model is to unbox it, grab the USB wireless adapter, and plug it into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox Series X or any other console, including Xbox One and Xbox Series S. As soon as this is done, you can power on the headset and it will automatically pair itself up with the wireless adapter. If you are having trouble powering on the headset, make sure that it has sufficient charge, and if needed, plug it into any suitable power source. But it is as simple as plugging the wireless adapter into any of the available USB ports on the console, and once this is done, you will be good to go to connect the headset to the console. Remember to use the proper model and not the original one. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Cloud Flight to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.